Good morning, students. Today we'll be doing question answers. Till now we have done assessment zone. I hope everybody has solved the assessment zone in the book. You'll be doing these question answers in your science notebook. Okay, so let's discuss. First one, it's E exercise. What is the function of the following organs? You have to tell the function of the following organs. The first one is brain. What is the function of the brain? Brain का क्या function होता है, क्या काम करता है brain? As we discussed earlier, brain control all the organ systems of the body. हमारे body के जितने भी organ systems होते हैं, like skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, all the organ systems are controlled by brain. What else brain is doing for the body? Brain controls thinking and learning abilities. Whatever you think, whatever you learn, recall, all these things get registered in the brain. So it helps to conduct our daily activities. It controls all our sense organs, right? So it helps in conducting the daily activities. Next one is the small intestine. You can see the picture of a small intestine. Okay. What is the function of the small intestine? We read about the small intestine in the digestive system ना. क्या करती है small intestine? It helps to absorb the nutrients. Nutrients जो भी होते हैं वो कहाँ पर absorb होते हैं? Small intestine में by the blood. What else? The digestive juices that are released by the small intestine help in the digestion of food. Okay, coming to the next question. Next one is, why are lungs considered to be a part of the excretory system? How are lungs considered to be a part of the excretory system? Lungs excretory system का part कैसे हो सकते हैं? Because lungs help in removing carbon dioxide from the body. As we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, we give out carbon dioxide. Okay, so lungs are considered to be a part of the excretory system because carbon dioxide is removed from the body when we breathe out with the help of lungs. Okay, next question. What is the importance of small intestine in our body? हमारी body के अंदर small intestine का क्या function होता है? We just now discussed, right? It helps in the absorption of nutrients. Who does it? The blood does it. Okay, and the digestive juices present in the small intestine help in the digestion of food. ठीक है? So let's read the answer once. The digestive juice present in the small intestine help to digest the food. The nutrients present in the food are also absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. All the nutrients are absorbed in small intestine and the water is absorbed in large intestine. Okay, coming to the next question. Okay, it's a big one in which you have to describe the process of digestion. Digestion का आपको पूरा process explain करना है along with the diagram. Diagram के साथ में, okay, on the left hand side page, on the blank page, you have to make the diagram, and on the lining page you have to write the answer. Okay, I have tried to make it very short, but still we have to explain the entire digestion process. So digestion starts from the mouth. कहाँ से start होता है digestion? It starts from the mouth. As you eat the food, teeth help you to chew the food, grind the food. Saliva gets mixed with the food to make the food soft, and what happens? The food is then pushed into the throat. It enters the food pipe. The food pipe gets connected to the stomach. What happens in the stomach? Some digestive juices are released in the stomach that helps to digest the food. It further break down the food into small particles. खाने को और छोटे particles में तोड़ देता है. ठीक है? After the stomach, the food goes to small intestine. What happens in the small intestine? Some digestive juices are released by the small intestine which help to further break down the food into smaller particles, and all the nutrients that are present in the food like carbohydrate, proteins, vitamin, minerals. You'll study all these nutrients in class 4. Okay. So these are the good substances that are present in the food. So all these nutrients are absorbed in small intestine. Then the undigested food, the food that is not digested by the body, enters the large intestine. Large intestine में enter हो जाता है, where the water is absorbed and the waste is removed from the body through anus. So I hope the process of digestion is clear to everyone. It's a big answer, but don't be afraid. डरना नहीं है, सबको लिखना है पूरा answer. Okay, you need to write and you need to learn and understand also, and make the diagram also. Okay, do lot of diagram practice. Rest of the question we'll discuss in the next module. Take care.